Hi, welcome to Excel and Power BI. Today we will continue our date series video. In last video, we have seen how to extract the year, month, day, month name and day name from given dates. In today's video, we will see how we can extract quarters as calendar year and financial year from this given date. So let's start the video. To extract the quarter calendar year, we will use month function. First, we will know which month is this. So, this is the first given as 4, April as 4, March as 3. So, month number has been come through this formula. Now, April's ideally should be the second calendar year quarter and March first. So, what we will do, we will divide this with 3. By 3, we have to make 4 quarters. So 12 divided by 3, this way we have to count 4 quarters. If I'll divide it whole these series from 3 and change the format to journal, I'll come up with these values. Now what I have to do, I have to convert these value in the upper one. Like if it is 1.3, it should be treated as 2, and if it is 0.3, it should be treated as 1. So to achieve this, we can use round up formula. Round up to 0 digits. Okay. Copy paste it. Now, if I'll filter this, our quarter has been come. If I'll select 1, all the months are March and January. Now if I'll select 2, my months are April and May. Similarly for this one, July, August and September. And the last one, December. Right? So these numbers has been come. Now we have to convert it so it look like the quarters. We can put the Q symbol against these numbers. So to do this, just put the inverted comma. Between the inverted comma, put the Q symbol and end symbol here. Now it is looking like quarter perfectly, right? Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Similarly, we go for financial year. So how we can do the financial year calculation? The process will be same, but here we have to think logically. What we have to do, we have to ask Excel to treat April as January as a first month so that we can get April as a first. Similarly, April, May, June first, June, July, August as a second quarter, and Jan, Feb, March as a fourth quarter. So how we can achieve this? In Excel we have a formula EDATE. What EDATE does? So EDATE asks us a start date and the month. If I'll put it here as 1, it will give me the next 1 month. If I'll change the format to date format, it is giving me 17th of May, right? If I'll check for other as well, so this is 10th September, now it is giving me the 10th October. So what we have to do, instead of going future in a date, we have to go 3 months back. So ideally April should be treated as January, so 3 months back. So we simply put -3. Now one step we have achieved. Now from this value we can convert these into the months. So we will again wrap up this in our month formula and copy paste it. Now we will convert it into the journal format and half of our work has been done. So again we have to do a similar calculation like we done in calendar quarter. We divided it by 3 and then we'll wrap it in round function, round up, right? Comma, 0 digit. If you do not put the 0, it will also work. And drag it, change the format to journal, and we have achieved the desired result. So again, we can put the inverted comma and symbol here and Q in the inverted comma. So now we have achieved our financial year quarters. So if I'll go to the quarter 4, it is giving me Jan and March. In my data, February is not there, so it is not showing. Otherwise, it should be Jan, Feb, and March. Similarly, if I'll go for the quarter 1, it will give me April and May. So this way we can achieve the calendar year and the financial year from a date. Now, next we will see how we can calculate the tenure. Suppose in case of you have to calculate the age of any employee or age or tenure from his or her date of joining. So how we can achieve this? For this, there is no inbuilt function in Excel, but yes, we can use one function which is dated if. If you see, I am not getting any dated if function. If I'll put the D, I'm not get any function from the Excel. But when I put if and start the bracket, my function has been start. Now I have to put my date, and I can put a today function for if I have to calculate it today, and dynamically if I'll open this Excel file tomorrow, it will dynamically change to the next date. Then I have to pass a format. What I require the years. For years I will put the Y and I'll copy and paste it. So now it is giving me the completed years from the starting date to today. So if I'll check this 1st March 2019 to today, we have completed 5 years. Similarly, we go for the month. So again, we use dated if function, our date and today, bracket start, bracket month, and then in this we have to calculate month in the particular year. So we will use year and then month. So it will extract month from that particular year. So if I hit the enter button, now you are able to see it is giving me 1. Why? Because our date is in April and now we are setting in May. So it is giving me 1 month as a completed. Now we have to extract the day. So same function we will use it. Dated if or start date again. Today, comma. Now I have to extract day of a month. So I will use month and then day, bracket month, and hit the enter button. So you able to see if I'll go for this 15th Jan 14. So this candidate has completed 10 year, 4 months and 14 days. Hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.